Prince, are you ready to go vegetable shopping with me? Vegetables are yummy and healthy. Let's go.
Here's a carrot. It's orange and crunchy. Carrots help you see better and make your eyes strong. Carrot! Potatoes grow under the ground. They give you energy to play and learn. Potato. These tomatoes are red and juicy. They help your heart stay strong. Tomato. Cucumbers are full of water. They keep you cool and hydrated. Cucumber. Broccoli looks like tiny green trees. It helps your bones grow strong. Broccoli. Onions can make you cry, but they're good for you. They help fight germs and keep you healthy. Onion. And this is a cabbage. It's round and leafy. Cabbage helps keep your tummy happy. Cabbage. Peppers come in lots of colors. They're full of vitamins that keep you strong. Peppers. This is a radish. It's red on the outside and white inside. Radishes help you stay full and are good for your tummy. Radish. Eggplants are shiny and purple. They're good for your brain and body. Eggplant. Here's some squash. Squash can be long or round. It helps keep your body strong and full of energy. Squash. Green beans are long and snappy. They help your muscles grow strong. Green bean. This is lettuce. It's green and crunchy. Lettuce is good for your skin and helps you stay hydrated. Lettuce. Asparagus is tall and green. It helps keep your body clean and healthy. Asparagus. Here's some spinach. It's dark green and leafy. They make your muscles strong and give you lots of energy. Spinach. Cauliflower looks like white broccoli. It's full of vitamins and helps you feel good. Cauliflower.
Wow, look at all the vegetables we have. Vegetables help us grow, stay strong, and feel our very best every day. What's your favorite vegetable? Remember, eat your veggies every day to stay strong and healthy. Bye!
Hey there! Did you have fun learning with us today? If you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more exciting learning. By liking our videos, you help us know what you enjoy learning about. And subscribing means you won't miss out on any of our awesome educational content. See you again next time here at Little Scholars Network. Until then, keep curious and keep exploring.